after making a copy of the template, you're going to want to make word search up here at the top and authorize. You are only authorizing yourself access to your own files. Nobody else has any access, no PII. Now there's a default word list in here, but you're going to want to paste or type in a new list of words. You can have up to 25, you can have less, it is your choice. But it is going to automatically separate out the letters so you can see your word list. You're going to come up to the top to find Make Word Search, and that's where you're going to want to just create puzzle. Now it'll do this automatically, so you're just going to want to sit back and watch the letters be horizontal or vertical. It's going to randomly place them on the word spreadsheet. You'll notice right here the T in student got overtaken by yearbooks. It does try not to do that, but sometimes it will eat some of the letters. So do be on the lookout for when that happens. When it notices that a word is not going to fit where it was going to put it, it lists it over here in this middle zone to let you know that it did not get placed on the word search. So these are ones that did not get placed, they didn't fit. What it's looking for is a random spot to put the word, and once it tries to put it in there, there was not room. So that is what this is going to mean. There is no room for where it tried to go. So I'm going to wait for it to do all 25 words. And again, you don't have to have 25, but 25 is the maximum. Okay, so there goes the last word, and then it's going to test. You'll notice that originally it put student on there and it was fine, but now there is an error. So it checked it and said, oh, you're going to need to fix student. I'm going to come up to Make Word Search, and I want to test for errors, and I'm going to try and get the code to place these words for me. So it's just going to find a new location for the words that were not able to be placed. Now it's trying to do collaborate right here and check out, and wherever it placed it, it didn't fit again. You can run tests for errors as many times as you would like. It's like it's having a hard time placing these words. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to test for errors. So I'm going to try and place students again. It's just not finding a spot. It is random. It is randomly picking a location, and obviously for these long words, a lot of space has already been taken up. So I'm going to have to find places to put them manually if that doesn't work. Now I did run tests for errors several times, but I still have a few that are being stubborn. So to me, this is a good opportunity to try and find a place to put diagonal words. So I'm going to try and I'm going to put the caps lock on here. Oh, that doesn't fit there. Here I got this U, so maybe I'll try to play off of that. Student, that worked out. I'm going to go ahead and move that. I placed it manually. I like to use the formula, you don't have to do this, but equals transpose, and that's going to, and I highlight it. So I type transpose equals transpose with parentheses and highlight it, and it takes it from being horizontal to vertical. So when I have room for a long word, oftentimes we'll use the word translate just to help me do that a little bit more. I'm going to try and get flashcards down here. FLASHCARDS. Okay, so I got that one. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy, paste that right here. And then I got to place markers. I have all of my words in my puzzle. So I'm going to come back up here and I want to update the puzzle. Okay, so that has now made sure that the puzzle with my additions are updated. Then I'm just going to go ahead and print puzzle. Okay. I can distribute this out. I like to make a Google Doc. Docs.new. And I'm just going to click right up here on the Awesome box. It selects all, Control-C, copy, and then in my Google Doc, I'm going to Control-V, paste. And you can see that it's put it right in there. I'm going to delete this extra row. And there is my puzzle right on there, and it's on 2 pages. So I'm actually going to come up to the File menu and choose Page Setup, just so I can make it fit a little bit better. There we go. Now it's all on 1 page, and I can print this out and give it to students. Now, if you'd like to have more than one version, you can just come right back to the spreadsheet, go to Make Word Search, and choose Create Puzzle, and it's going to create a brand new puzzle for you with the same words so you can have multiple versions.